to Grant. Bang! Josh Hunt cleans him up. A little knock on. Johnson! Just catches an unbelievable goal.
Tucked into the pocket. A goal seals it for Stokes.
Mooney, still Mooney. Milburn, can you believe it? Probably wins it for him. Podsy Adley's on deep, and that's where it goes. He's done it again.
Comes in and kicks the goal. His first for the year.
And passes across to Menzel. That was brilliant. Menzel to Kelly goal. Didak confronted by Hawkins. What a bulk to get around.
He won't miss that, surely. He doesn't. The Cats are home.